Hey everyone, this is Lomi, and this week I've got an unexpected new arrival to share, along with a short update on how things are going with me. So, this happens to be the prize from a 1-year hobby anniversary giveaway held by BJD Photographer on Instagram. I usually don't enter giveaways because they usually don't fit with my personal doll plans, and I don't want to take prizes that I'm not positive I'll love. But my daughter saw this and was completely in love with it, so she requested I enter. That way we'd be able to plan something for this doll together. So big thank you to BJD Photographer for holding this giveaway. If any of you are interested, BJD Photographer is also who currently owns Sophie, the Mystic Kids Lillian I sold last year. It's really cool to see the life dolls have after they leave your collection, and I've enjoyed watching her. If you missed it in the video description, this is a doll family A Bobo. I actually think the company photos don't do this little critter justice, because it's so much cuter in person than it is in photos. The faceplate attaches with magnets, and it's sculpted in a way the seam isn't super visible, which I really like. The fins and tail are strung kind of interestingly, with the string tied. There are no hooks. The tail string attaches to a little resin notch right behind the faceplate. All 3 fins are jointed where they meet the fish's body. They don't have a ton of range of motion, but that's not a huge surprise. This fish comes with 2 color options for fins. This one is obviously transparent, but the fins also come in red. It came with eyes, eye putty, and a cute certificate of authenticity card. The eyes for the fish are huge. They've got to be what, 18-20 millimeters? It's hard for me to estimate because I've never had any dolls that use eyes this big. I'm gonna have fun making huge eyes for this fishy though. No matter which way I turn its eyes, it looks kind of derpy. I like it. So there's the fish. By the time this goes up on YouTube, we'll be moving into the new house. I'm going to try to have something to put up each weekend, even if it's not very in-depth. But I'll do my best not to miss any weeks as we're getting into the new house. If I do, well, I apologize in advance. I guess that's just kind of the way moving is, and right now my whole workshop is in boxes. But with luck, everything will go smoothly, and we'll be back to normal creativity soon. Can't wait to paint this little guy once we get to the new place. That's all for today though. Thanks for watching. Bye.